Namaste children. How are you all? I hope all are safe. Children, we are last class we discussed place value chart, then face value, how to give the periods, and then the numbers are right in the place value chart. So and then abacus we have to also discuss. So now today we are going to discuss expanded form. So we know here already we have know that. So what is expanded form? Expanded form places each places right in the order. So what is order? First, so what about in the given number, the places depends upon the position of the number, right? The places using the plus, using plus we can distribute the places to the each numbers. So okay, that is called as expanded form. So in the third standard we have only 4 digit numbers, but here up to 10 lakh numbers, we know that 10 lakh numbers are there. So we have write the expanded form. Expanded form we have right in the three ways. We have right three ways. First one, we can express place values. So what about in the given lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100? What about given the places? So we can express the places. And then second one is write in the words, write in the words using the numbers. So how to give the numbers? So and then, so I will show the examples. So and then multiply the place values. So they have write the three ways we should write the expanded form. Anyone we choice has to be right in the expanded form. Okay, look at that. So first one, expanded form has to be right in the three ways. So we find the three ways. So totally how many ways? Three ways. First one, so this is the number 2,15,236. This is the number. We should write the place value. So expanded form. So it is easy concept of the place value. At first we should write 236. It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So now here, so how much is first one? We should places has to be right in the place values has to be right in the right side. So and then expand form and the number name right in the left to right. So now what is the place value? First one, 2 lakh plus. Then go for the 1,000. How much 1,000 is there? 10,000 plus 5. How much it is? 1,000, 5,000 plus 200. 100 places to 200. Tens places 3, 30. Ones place is 6. This is a one way. So another way. So we should write in the another type. So we can using for the another. So what is the second one? Write using the places of the write a sentence. So how much it is lakh? 2 lakh. That is a word. 2 lakh plus second one. So how much thousand? 110,000. So it is 110,000. We should write 110,000. Next, next one, how much thousand? 5,000 plus how much next? 100, how much? 200, 200 plus then 3 tens plus next 6 ones. This is the, we should write the sentence. Sentence has to be right in the words. So places has to be right in the words. So among and the along with number, along with the numbers. Okay, that is the second way. Third way, multiply the places to using the given numbers. So here 2 into lakh. So it is place what is lakh. Next, 1 into how much? It is place 10,000 plus next 5 How much it is? 1000. Next, then 2 into 100, multiply the places. 3, it is 10's value, multiply 10, and then 6 into 1. These are the multiplying the place value, places, multiply the places. So we write any method you should write it, but understanding is very important. Which one is perfectly understand? So it is very easy methods we have usually used to expand from this method and this method. Okay, it cannot be used, so it is, but but we know that this type of expanded form. Okay, usually we have to using the one and two method ways has to be, we have to using the expand, write the expand form. So how to write the expand form? So in the first one, so look at that, it is 2000, 10,000, 5,000, 200, 30 plus 6. So keep in the mind, this is a expanded form. Total how many ways we should write? 3 ways. Okay, so now it is very easy. First method is very easy. How is that? So one technique I will give that. So here so 2 lakh is there. So Guruji, sometimes zero will be missing. What we do? How to find the zeros? So sometimes missing the zero. Okay, now so when write the first one 2, then we should write the first two. Then remaining, how many digits are there remaining? How many digits are there? One, two, three, four, five. So we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can easily write the zeros. Next one, I will close the one. So I will write, so 10,000 I will write it. One has to be written. Then remaining how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, I will write the 5,000. So 5 has to be closed. So remaining how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. That should be 1, 2, 3. Then 2 has to be closed. We can write the 200. 2, remaining 2 digits are 0, 1, 2. Then 30. So 30. So one digit has to be there. So one remaining, that is 0. So that is has to be X 6. Okay, so it is very easy technique. So first one, so it is also very easy, so we can express the places. Okay, so that one has to be, so multiplying the, it can be just for some students has to be difficulty. So we can learn for two methods are very easy. Okay, I will go for some more examples. Now I will go for, shall I go, I will go for second one example, third one example. So we have to write the expanded form. Okay, so first express the place values. 16 lakh 25,420. So it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we can express the express the expanded form. So first one is 10 lakh, 10 lakh plus next lakh, 6 lakh. So 6, close that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 lakh plus next go for 10,000. So how much it is? 20,000. Next 5,000. Next 400 plus 20. So one's place is 0. We have to left it. So this is a expanded form. Now I will go for last one example. Look at that. So it is has to be write the place values. Okay. Once, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So same, we should write it. Okay, crore, 8 crore. So 8 has to be closed. Remaining how many digits? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 8 crore. Then, then 10 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 10,000 is not there. We leave it. Go for 1,000 plus then 100 is 9. Sorry, 900 is 9. 900 plus tens place is not there. Directly we have write ones place. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now sometimes expanded form will be given. We write the short form. We write the short form using to the short form. Okay. Now I will take the examples of how to write the short form. Okay, students. Now expanded form already over. So now how to write the standard form. Standard form means using the expanded form, then write the short form. Short form means up to one complete number. So we should write. So already in the short form using to expanded form. Now expanded form is there, right in the short form. Okay. So now here easily place value chart has to be written. Then we can find the short form. Now so, so first we can write it is tens, it is hundred, it is thousand, it is how much? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It is 10,000. So now look at that. It is tens, it is hundred, it is thousand, it is 10,000. Now we should write the place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, we find the number. Okay, so now 10,000, how much it is there? 60,000. 60 means it is considered for 10,000 place has to be 6. Now go for 1,000, already is there. 1,000 it is 8. Next 100 is how much? 4, because 400. Tens place is 8. What about ones place? So is not given ones place. We should write 0. So what is a short form in this number? 68,480. That is the number. 68,480. So now first we should write the place value chart and substitute the values each number. So what about given in the thousand or lakh or in the hundred or in the thousand? So now shall I go for second one? Okay, so it has to be same. That has to be given to the second number. So it is third way. So it is third method has to be we should be using for the expand form. So first we should find. So how much has to be multiplied? First we should find it. So it is given number is 4. So how much has to be multiplied? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. It is lakh. It is keep in the mind. It is lakh. Now what about in going to this one? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is thousand. Next it is directly we read it 100. It is ones. It is ones. So now we should find the easily short form. Taken the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So how much is lakh here? 4 into 1 lakh. So the number is given 4 multiply lakh. So lakh plus is what? 4 lakh. Next 1000 is not given 10,000. Directly go for the 1,000. 1,000 into 1, 1,000. Okay. So 1,000 place what should we write? 1. Then 100 place is what? 3. Then 1 plus is 4. What about remaining numbers? We should write the 0. Tens place is 0 and 1,000, 10,000 places is also 0. What is the short form of this expanded form? 4 lakh 1,304. This is a number. Okay, so you cannot fill the place value chart properly. Your answer will be wrong. Keep in the mind. So what you given in the number, first we have to find out. So it is lakh or it is ones or it is thousand. First we should find it. Then afterwards we have to put the place value chart. No. So for what about in the another number? So first we should find the number. Yes, the number is clearly now. No, so it is considered for the. So what about this number? It is ones, it is tens, it is 100. Yes, it is 1,000, it is 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 10 lakh. So now we should find the first we make the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now, 10 lakh space what? 10 lakh space is 20. 10 lakh space is 20. So 20 means it means 10 lakh 2. 10 lakh space is 2 because it's not given to the lakh. Okay. So 10 lakh spaces we should write 2 because it is 20 lakh. Now go for lakh is not there. Now go for 10,000. 10,000 is not there. Now go for directly 1,000. Now next 100 is there. Yes, 100 is there. 9. Now what about tens place? 2. What about ones place? 3. Remaining what you write? So remaining we substitute 0. So keep in the mind it is 20 lakh 5,923. So the short form is 20 lakh 5,923. Okay. So in the exercise 1D, 1D, solve the problem, filling the blanks. First one. So filling the blanks, I will already shown the three methods. I will show the expand form. That method has to be using the fill in the blanks. Second one, write the expand form. You know that. Next one, write the short form. Short form means this type. Short form. One time write in the HW also. One time write in the HW also. So you fill the textbook and then solve in one time HW has to be write it. Okay. So it is complete the expand form and short form. Okay. So watch the video properly and then you could not understand. Once again you have to watch the video. Then you can understand the concept. So students, I hope all are understand this concept. Okay, thank you students. Watch the video and improve your knowledge. Dhanyavad.